Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna have another fragrance oil review from villagecraft&candle. Yay! On today's video, guys, we're gonna have a look at their Cologne and Perfume Fragrance Explorer Kit. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing, guys. This is the whole kit, guys. And let me open it up for you so we can see it together. And here they are, all the beauties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Here they are, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to set them up in here, guys, and I'm going to make a name all the fragrance strips. I'm going to put them to the side, and I'll be right back. To me, this is my favorite cologne, guys, so far, ever. Christian Dior Sauvage. This one is the Elixir. This is very strong. Okay, so I'm just keep it to the side, and let's start doing the video review. I love the idea of having this Explorer kit because you can get this size fragrance oil, and you can experiment to see which one you like the best, okay? We all have different fragrance tastes, you know, so let's see. Dive into the villagecraft&candle Cologne and Perfume Fragrance Explorer Kit, featuring 10 fresh scents from our Cologne and Perfume Fragrance collection, inspired by the latest colognes and perfumes. Each fragrance comes in a convenient 30 milliliter sample size for easy testing in wax. Order your kit now and guess the popular scents that influence these fragrances, okay? So they don't tell you which ones they're being compared with, okay, guys? So that's for you to figure it out, okay? The first one is called Apollo. I'm gonna be putting pictures as we go along, okay? So the first one is Apollo. Memorable and emboldening, this addictive scent boasts nuances of bergamot, lemon, and black pepper on a background of patchouli. Oof. It's very rich and very dark. Musk and sensual resins. Sample this fragrance all along with other 9 amazing scents in our Cologne Perfume Fragrance Explorer Kit. Oh my god. This is very strong. This one makes a statement, guys. Ooh. The top note is mandarin, bergamot, and lemon. The middle note is black pepper, mint, labdanum. The base note is patchouli, cedar, and musk. This is very different. This is storytelling, guys, for sure. It smells expensive. It smells very complex, okay? There's something in here that is making me like not be my favorite. But again, let me see what I think the mint notes of the black pepper and between the black pepper and the mint combined is not for me, guys. But it's very complex, and for those of you that likes this type of fragrances, they're very strong, you know, and make a statement. I would highly recommend this one. This is why I love this Explorer kit, because you don't have to spend a ton of money and just find whatever you like the most, okay, and go from there. Okay, the second one is called Blossom. Blossom fragrance oil captivates with a radiant blend of tuberose, oof, jasmine, and magnolia. I can tell you, you're gonna love it. Oof, beautiful. Enveloped in an amber and musk. Its alluring aroma exudes sophistication and charm, making it perfect for those who crave elegance in every scent. Experience the enchantment of Blossom and elevate your senses to new heights. Okay, I have to tell you guys right off the boat. My goodness. Very, very expensive Jo Malone scent for sure. But this is giving me the magnolia scent, you know. But I think it is bergamot and orange, tuberose. It's the mint note. The mint note is tuberose, jasmine, buds, chenille, honeysuckle, and the base notes sun-drenched woods and musk. Okay. So the top note bergamot and orange. Very sophisticated, very welcoming. It's like you feel like you're being entrapped in a beautiful garden, guys. My goodness, excellent. I highly recommend that one. Yes, very alluring. This is great for a wedding again. This is great for Mother's Day. This is great for, I don't know, for summer, for spring. I think this could go very well all year round. Very energetic, very sophisticated, very expensive smelling. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, the next one is called Blue Sky. Sun-drenched Sicilian lemon combines with lively, fresh picked jasmine on a bed of warm amber under the bright blue sky. Beautiful, beautiful. So far, I love it. All the different scents, the way they've been combined is very beautiful. Okay, let's see this one, Blue Sky. Ooh. Okay, this one took me back when I went back to when my husband and I used to go take our dog Susie to Prospect Park in Brooklyn, New York, and we used to put the blankets all around, and the music, and the dog and the toys, and they used to play with the dog, and just look at the beautiful surroundings, you know, at the beautiful blue sky, smelling the herb, smelling the trees, smelling the beauty of nature. This is what's taking me right there, guys. Beautiful. Okay, the top notes: Sicilian, lemon, apple, bellflower. Middle notes: bamboo, jasmine, white rose. Amazing base notes: cedar, amber, and musk. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I love when a fragrance, when the base notes end up like this with cedar, with woods, and amber and musk. I think to me that's the perfect romantic fragrance oil, fragrance candle. You know, I think it gives it body. Oof. Okay, let me take a sip, guys. The next one is called Golden Santal. Comforting essences of amber woods and musk are elevated with notes of rose and cedar. Sample this fragrance all along the other nines. Okay, like I told you, the whole. Okay, this one is also epic. I can smell it from here. It brings me so much happiness. It brings me so much joy. It takes me back to a time that I don't know, when I received very good news and when I was very happy, when I was surprised with something good, epic, you know. It takes me back when I met my puppies, Marlon and Sasha, over 10 years ago. That happiness that you get when you meet someone new, someone that you're gonna love forever. Oh my god. The top note is golden nectar, middle notes cashmere and caramel, base note is amber and softwood. Again, it is ending with amber and wood notes. Beautiful, very loving, very comforting, very warm. I love it. I love it. I truly love it. I think from all of them so far, this one is my favorite so far. Okay. Woof. Okay. The next one is called Kristof, 1972. So far, it's been very hard for me to figure out which perfumes are these, which colognes, because to me, they're telling me a story. It's like I'm not looking to compare them with anything else. I find them to be different stories, different personalities, different experiences. Okay. Embark on a sensory journey with Kristof 1972. Immerse yourself in the intangible richness of woody notes and fresh green resin. Discover this captivating scent and 7 other amazing fragrances on our Cologne and Perfume fragrance kit. Okay. Wow. Okay. This one is completely different for all this rest. It's bringing me like citrus top notes. Very refreshing, very summery, very loving, very energetic, very party for, you know. It's, I don't know the name, 1972. I need to research this more to find out where this comes from. The top note is bergamot, mandarin and peach. Beautiful opening notes, beautiful. Middle notes, clary sage, freesia and cyclamen. I love freesia. In the base notes, here we go again, guys. Amber, patchouli and musk, okay? Whenever you get this type of notes at the base notes, it's gonna bring you so much love, so much warmth, so much happiness. At least this is what it's doing for me. This is out of this world, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. It's like I'm getting a different experience from each one of them. I'm so happy, guys. This is why I love this company so much, because it brings me something new to bring to you. Okay, that's why I love discovering these Explorer kits, you know. Oof. Okay, the next one is called Oud Woods. You know I love oud, and you know I love woods. Okay. Immerse yourself in the richness of olibanum and patchouli, harmoniously balanced with a warm allure of saffron, amber, and cashmere. Ooh, what a combination, guys! This exquisite blend captures the timeless sophistication and depth of oud wood, creating an oh my god. Guys, this is so masculine, so creating an aura of mystery and allure. Let the fragrance transport you to a sense of a serene forest with the earthy and woody notes intertwined to create a sense of tranquility and refinement. Okay, it brings me so much love. Oh my goodness, this is what perfume should be all about. Cologne, you know, scent, you know, for you to really like sit back and relax and just smell the beautiful aroma around you and just take you back to that memory. When you first meet someone that you know is going to be with you forever, this is the kind of scent, this is the kind of feeling this is giving me. Okay, let's see. The fragrance notes for this is the top notes, Brazilian rosewood. Brazilian rosewood is very, very, very expensive, guys. And agarwood. Middle notes, saffron, amber, and cashmere. Absolutely very luxurious. And the base note, patchouli, olibanum, and tonka leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna love this one, guys. And what I like about this one is that it's not too strong. It's perfect if you want to have a scent burning in the background, you know, but you don't really want something too strong. You want something relaxing, someone that just works makes you feel good, you know, without really saying, okay, this is too overpowering. This is it, guys. This is it. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, the next one is called Salted Sage and Woods. Feel the refreshing ocean breeze as it mingles with invigorating citrus notes, while a touch of herbaceous sage adds a unique twist. The scent of majestic cypress and rich quiet wood completes this vicious blend, invoking a sense of tranquility and connecting to nature. Let the aromatic symphony transport you to a sandy shore where the salty air and aromatic herbs embrace your senses. Beautiful. This is epic. Definitely have to make a candle out of this. Perfect for a summer candle. Perfect for an aromatherapy candle. The clary sage is really like making a statement in this in a good way. Very relaxing, very centering. Very different from anything else that I've tried, okay? The top note is lemon, bergamot, and mandarin, but this is not in your face, you know, it's very delicate tone. Middle notes, rosemary, clary sage, salty air accord. Very relaxing. Base note, waka wood, cypress, and musk. Again, ending up with wood notes, guys, makes this spectacular. Spectacular. Woo! Now the moment has come, the moment of truth, okay? Now I'm gonna make a test strip of the Sauvage fragrance oil, and I'm gonna make another test strip of the elixir of the Sauvage fragrance itself. But I have to be very careful because this one is very potent. So I'm gonna just go very, and I'm gonna put it very far away so I don't smell it. Let's go, Sauvage. Ooh! The irresistible allure of Sauvage fragrance oil. Embrace the sensual fusion of amberwood, patchouli, and dark musk, creating a captivating and mysterious aroma. Delicate hints of Moroccan rose and magnolia add a touch of subtle elegance to this provocative blend. Let the enchanting scent envelop you, awakening your senses and leaving a trail of intrigue wherever you go. Oh, spectacular. Okay, I think from all of them, guys, this one is that really is calling my name. Why? Because I already love the scent itself, so it's not kind of fair, but I have to say this one is, to me, it brings me so much memories all at once. When I got married, when I met Matthew, my best days at work, when I used to live in New York City. Okay, now let me compare to the real deal. Okay, this one is the elixir. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, I have to say, the elixir is much stronger, a tiny bit different, but I think I like this one better, to be honest. Okay. I think I like this one better than one from villagecraft&candle. It's not as strong as the elixir, maybe that's why, you know, but as when it comes to notes, profile, and scent comparison, I think it's the same, okay? So, I'm very happy, yes! Did I read the note profile for that one? The top note is crisp bergamot, juicy lemon. Middle notes, delicate orchid, jasmine, and sweet lavender. Oof! I think the lavender is giving this one like a touch that I'm even liking more. The base note, sweet amber, cedar, and delicate musk. Again, ending up with wood notes, guys. And amber, it always a win-win. Okay, the next one is called Drakkar type. Okay, I used to wear this cologne many years ago, and I don't know why I don't have it anymore. I guess it's finished. I never went back. It's just that you want to change and you want to try something new. You know, as you grow older, you want to try new experiences. Okay, this fragrance encompasses a sense of power and swagger with a hint of rebelliousness. It features invigorating citrus top notes, warm spicy mid notes, and rounds out with a strong woody base. Okay, very strong, very useful, very energetic, very it makes a statement. No, I walked away from this one. It's too much for me. Okay, I guess if I were to make a candle out of this one, I will use 8 or 6% fragrance load maximum. It's beautiful. The top note is lemon, bergamot, and lavender. Middle note, basil, carnation, basil again, and rosemary. Base note is patchouli, sandalwood, and musk. It's a beautiful scent. It's very useful. It's for someone that is sophisticated like the other one that Sauvage is. Okay, that's the comparison. Yes, but again, guys, just because I like something doesn't mean that you're gonna love it. I'm just giving you the experience that these fragrances also are giving me, and that's what I'm sharing with you. Okay, and the last one is called Timberlake. Okay, Timberlake is a fragrance blend described as a fresh and woody scent. It combines the The notes of Siberian fir and cedar with the infusions of rosemary, mint, and lily flowers. The combination of these elements creates a unique fragrance profile that captures the essence of nature with its woodsy and aromatic qualities. The Siberian fir and cedar notes provide a grounding and earthy base, while the rosemary, mint, and lily flowers add a touch of herbal freshness and a floral undertones. Okay. Okay, this one is epic. This one is a must. Also a candle, guys. I don't think I will buy a perfume of this. I think this is perfect for a candle. You know, sometimes a fragrance is not for me. This is my opinion. A fragrance smells better in a candle in the air than in yourself. We all know that every time that we put a fragrance in our bodies, due to the pH of your skin and the oils, it changes the smell. Okay, it's very clean, very refreshing, very earthy. I don't see myself wearing this as a cologne, you know. But as a candle, this one is epic. Okay, beautiful. The top note is orange, bergamot, and rosemary. Very cleansing, very centering also. Middle notes, geranium, mint, and lilies. Base notes, Siberian fir, patchouli, and cedar. Oof, okay. Overall, guys, I have to say I'm very impressed with this fragrance oil collection, guys. Don't forget to go to Village Craft and Candle, guys, and order this beautiful. This is perfect, like I said on the other Explorer kit. If you're thinking about making a candle line for you and you don't know which scents to use, guys, I think this will be a great starter for you guys to experiment with all these beautiful scents, and then you make up your mind. You might not want to use all 10 of them. You might want to use 5 or more. But like I said before, everybody has different taste. Everybody has different noses. One of my favorite floral candles on my candle line is called Sultan Gardinia, guys. It's beautiful. This one has the top note is Gardenia, middle note Pinot Wood, and the base note is tuberose, guys. This one is gonna give you, my goodness, this one is so empowering, so romantic. It's like I have encapsulated passion and love and romance in a candle, guys. Go check it out on my website, candleromance.shop. Okay. Beautiful candle. I'm gonna leave it in here for you to take a look at it. And guys, thank you for joining me today and spending this time with me. I want to thank Village Craft and Candle for sending me all these beautiful fragrance oils, guys. And also, I want to let you know, guys, that I do have an affiliate code. So if you use that affiliate code, I'll be getting a commission that will help me out continue making this content for you. Okay, guys. So don't forget to check it out. All my affiliate codes is gonna be down on the description box. Okay, guys, so check it out. Like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, take care, bye. Yes, yes.